Transform your patio into a floral paradise with these creative flower bed designs. A well-designed patio can act as an extension of your living space, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in comfort and style. One of the most effective ways to enhance your patio is by incorporating creative flower bed designs. With careful planning and a touch of creativity, you can transform your patio into a vibrant floral paradise that will captivate your senses and uplift your outdoor living experience. In this article, we will explore various flower bed designs and landscaping ideas to help you achieve a stunning patio makeover that will leave everyone in awe. Patio transformation, from dull to delightful. Creating a floral paradise on your patio begins with a complete transformation. Start by assessing your current outdoor decor and envision the potential it holds. Consider the existing layout, furniture, and color scheme, and think about how you can incorporate flower beds to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal. Flower bed design, let your creativity blossom. When it comes to flower bed designs, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and heights to create visual interest. Incorporate raised beds, hanging baskets, and vertical gardens to make the most of your patio space. Use a mix of annuals and perennials for a dynamic display throughout the seasons. Garden inspiration, colorful blooms for every mood. Choose plant varieties that will add a burst of color to your patio. Opt for vibrant blooms such as roses, marigolds, daisies, and petunias. Consider the color palette of your outdoor decor and select flowers that complement it. Create a harmonious blend of hues to evoke different moods and create a visually appealing atmosphere. Landscaping ideas, creating a coherent design. To ensure a cohesive look, incorporate landscaping elements that tie your flower beds together. Use decorative stones, gravel, or mulch to delineate the boundaries of your flower beds. Introduce pathway pavers or stepping stones for easy navigation and to add a touch of elegance. Consider adding trellises or arbors for climbing plants, adding vertical interest to your patio design. Outdoor living, enhancing your patio experience. A well-designed patio should offer more than just visual appeal. Create seating areas within or adjacent to your flower beds, allowing you to enjoy the sights and scents of your floral paradise up close. Install outdoor lighting to illuminate your patio in the evenings, creating a magical ambience. Don't forget to include a water feature, such as a fountain or bird bath, to attract wildlife and add a soothing element to your outdoor living space. With these creative flower bed designs, you can transform your patio into a floral paradise that will enchant and inspire. Take the time to plan your patio makeover, considering the layout, color scheme, and plant varieties that will best suit your outdoor decor. By incorporating beautiful flower beds, you will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your patio but also create a tranquil space where you can relax and unwind amidst the colorful blooms. So, let your imagination run wild and embrace the beauty of nature as you embark on your journey to transform your patio into a haven of floral wonder.